Visualizing the data in your Postgres databases with SquaredUp couldn't be easier. Here we have an empty SquaredUp dashboard for use for our Postgres demo. First thing I need to do is add the Postgres data source. To do this, I can click Add Data Source, which will take me to the data source library. I can then type in Postgres, and I can see we have our cloud and on-premise versions of the Postgres data source. If I click the cloud version, you can see the information that is required here. Just a display name, username and password of your database, and a few other options. You also have the option to enable object indexing, which allows you to import your Postgres data as SquaredUp objects. Once the information for the Postgres data source is filled out, you will now have a Postgres data source available for you to use. I can now add our first dashboard, and I can add some of my Postgres data. Now I'm in the data editor, I can click the Postgres data source, and for this example, I'll do a simple table query. There is an example SQL query here, but I will use my own. I will simply go select all from one of my tables. As you can see, we're able to get the data back from our Postgres database. I can then manipulate this with our shaping fields, or I can select a different visualization to be represented on the dashboard. When I hit save, my Postgres data is on our dashboard, ready for analysis. We look forward to seeing what you can do with our Postgres plugin, and happy dashboarding.